Welcome to our instructional video on installing Canopy Shield, your comprehensive digital safety solution for iOS devices. Let's walk through the process step by step. After setting up the profile of the device you want to protect, in this case, Sarah's iPhone, you can begin the Canopy Shield installation on that device. Now, ensure the protected device allows App Store purchases and downloads. If not, you'll need to temporarily disable these restrictions. You can re-enable them after the installation. If the device you are trying to protect has stolen device protection turned on, it is recommended to install Canopy Shield in a trusted place, such as your home or workplace. Otherwise, you'll need to wait until the 1-hour security delay ends. Installation process. Open Safari. Navigate to canopy.us/install on the device. Log in or sign up. Enter your Canopy credentials to log in. If you're new to Canopy, please create an account at this stage. Download the Canopy MDM profile. Follow the prompt by pressing Allow when Canopy Shield asks you to download the MDM profile. Install the profile. Exit Safari, go to the device's home screen, then open the Settings app. Tap on Profile Downloaded at the top of the menu and press Install. Enter the passcode if required. Grant permissions. Accept all permission requests by pressing Trust and Install. Finalize installation. Reopen Safari to complete the installation. You'll need to accept additional permissions for Canopy to function properly. Launch Canopy Shield. Find Canopy Shield on the home screen. The first time you open it, allow notifications to keep updated on the Shield's online activity. After installation, a VPN icon will appear on the device's status bar, indicating that Canopy Shield is actively filtering content. If you don't see the VPN icon, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to view it. Congratulations! You've successfully installed the Canopy Shield. Remember, you can now re-enable any App Store restrictions you had disabled for the installation process. Feel free to re-enable stolen devices protection on the device. Thank you for choosing Canopy for your digital protection needs. Enjoy a safer online experience.